ever wondered what's happening at the forefront of artificial intelligence? Well, let me tell you. Our CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, recently shared some incredibly exciting news during an internal company meeting. Here's what's going on. Meta recently had a really important gathering, and Mark Zuckerberg, who leads the company, talked about their big investments in artificial intelligence. Yes, you heard it right. They're going all in on AI, and it's going to bring some amazing changes. Let's get into the details. During this big meeting, Meta talked about some new things they've working on. First up, chatbots for messengers and WhatsApp. But these chatbots aren't like regular ones. They can actually have real conversations and act like different characters. Imagine that. It's like talking to your favorite made-up people in real life. And wait, there's more. Meta is also making Instagram even cooler. Soon you'll be able to edit your photos using simple text commands. How awesome is that? Plus, they're adding a feature that lets you create emoji stickers for your messages. It's like giving your text a fun makeover. But why is all of these happening now? You might wonder. Well, Meta's been going through a bit of rough patch lately. Financial hiccups, identity crisis, you name it. Some folks even said they were too obsessed with this thing called the metaverse and not paying enough attention to AI. But here's the thing. They're not alone in this race. Big names like Google, Microsoft, and even Snapchat have been making waves with their AI products, and investors are all ears. These tech giants have been unleashing their own AI innovations, setting the stage for an exciting and highly competitive AI landscape. Google, for instance, has been leveraging AI to enhance search results, improve voice recognition, and even develop self-driving cars. Microsoft, on the other hand, has been harnessing the power of AI to enhance its productivity tools like Office 365 and make strides in the healthcare industries with the AI-driven diagnostics and treatment recommendations. And let's not forget about Snapchat, which has been incorporating AI into its camera features, making filters more fun and engaging. But here's where it gets interesting. While these tech giants have been getting a lot of attention for their AI creations, Meta has been playing it cool. They haven't released any AI products for us, the consumers, to get our hands on. But why? You might wonder. Well, it's all part on their grand strategy. You see, Meta is taking a different path compared to its rivals. Instead of rushing into the market, they carefully plan their AI move, and that's what sets them apart. They're not just following the crowd, they're charting their own course. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are these AI tools? Great questions. AI tools are like digital wizards that can think and create on their own. They can generate all sorts of things from text to images and even videos. It's like having a creative robot at your service 24/7. But the big question is, what does this mean for us, the everyday users? Well, that remains to be seen because Meta hasn't dropped the curtain on their AI products just yet. Now, Meta is doing some major reorganization with its AI divisions. And get this, it's pouring a ton of investment into beefing up their AI infrastructure. Now, what's all the buzz about? Well, during a company meeting, Mark Zuckerberg, the man himself, expressed his enthusiasm about the advancement in generative AI. And what does that mean? It means that they've got some seriously smart technology that they're itching to integrate into. And I quote, every single one of Meta's products. That's right. They're planning to supercharge Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp with the power of AI. But why does this matter? It's a big deal because it shows that Meta is dead serious about leveraging AI in all their platforms. They're not just dabbling in it, they're going all in. Additionally, Meta is not only focusing on consumer-facing tools but also has something in store for its own employees. They've introduced a nifty productivity assistant called MetaMate. What's it all about? You ask. Well, it's like having your very own digital sidekick at work. MetaMate is here to answer questions and carry out tasks using internal company information. Imagine having a virtual assistant right at your fingertips to make your workday smoother. But that's not all. Meta has some big plans in the pipeline. They're diving into the world of open source models. What does this mean? It means they want to give users like you and me the power to create our very own AI-powered chatbots and tech marvels. Picture this. You, yes, you, building your very own chatbot with the potential to make tasks easier or just have some fun. It's all about democratizing access to AI, making it accessible to everyone, not just the big tech giants. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Concern about misuse. Critics and competitors have raised valid worries about these new tools. They're worried that folks might use them to spread misinformation or even hate speech on a larger scale. Mark Zuckerberg, the big boss at Meta, tackled this issue head-on during a recent meeting. He stressed the importance of making AI available to all without relying solely on a few big tech companies. The goal here is to empower users like you and me to develop AI programs independently. And despite all the buzz around artificial intelligence, there's been some speculation about whether Meta would shift its focus away from the metaverse. But guess what? Zuckerberg himself has set the record straight. So here's the scoop. Despite the increased chatter about AI, Zuckerberg wants everyone to know that Meta is not ditching its plans from the metaverse. That's right, both AI and the metaverse are still firmly on the radar. Now, why is this such a big deal? You ask. Well, it's because the success of these ventures will play a pivotal role in determining whether Meta can keep up with its competitors and secure its spot among the tech giants in this ever-evolving tech landscape. In a nutshell, Meta is doubling down on its commitment to both AI and the metaverse, and it's going to be fascinating to see how it unfolds. Well, there you have it. The world of artificial intelligence is heating up, and Meta is making some big moves. Have you ever wondered how these advancements in AI are going to impact your life? I know I'm excited to see chatbots that can have real conversations and the ability to edit photos with text commands on Instagram. But what about you? What do you think about Meta's AI push? How do you envision these AI tools changing the way we interact with technology? And let's not forget about the metaverse. It's clear that Meta is keeping its metaverse dreams alive while diving headfirst into the world of AI. Do you think they can successfully juggle both? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. We'll be keeping a close eye on Meta's AI journey and bringing you all the exciting developments. Until next time, tech enthusiast, stay curious and stay tuned.